Today in our third lecture, you will develop the concept of speed and the types of speed. Suppose if a body travels a distance of 40 kilometer in 20 seconds, then the speed will be equal to distance upon time. So the 40 kilometer will be converted into meter, 40 into 1000 upon time is 20 seconds. So if you 40,000 upon 20, so that will be the distance, that will be the speed. It means speed is defined as the distance traveled by an object per unit time, or we can say speed is equal to distance upon time. The SI unit is meter per second. And remember, the speed of object gives no idea about the direction of object. It means it is a scalar quantity. The speed are of four types. The first is uniform speed, then non-uniform speed, then average speed, then instantaneous speed. Let us discuss one by one. Uniform speed or constant speed. If an object travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, howsoever small these intervals may be, then the speed of the object is said to be uniform speed or constant speed. For example, light travels with a uniform speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second in vacuum. Now the another example is if a body travels 40 kilometer in 1 hour, 80 kilometer in 2 hours, 120 kilometer in 3 hours, 160 kilometer in 4 hours, then this is the body is said to be moving with uniform speed, because after every 1 hour the body is traveling the equal distance. So we can say that the distance is directly proportional to time. Means if the time is changing, distance is changing, and if the time is increasing, distance is increasing. This is the meaning of proportionality. The another is known as the non-uniform speed or variable speed. If an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time, then the speed of the object is said to be non-uniform speed or variable speed. For example, walking and cycling both are practical example of non-uniform motion. Driving a vehicle on a congested road is also an example of non-uniform motion. In other words, we can say that if a body travels 40 kilometer in 1 hour, 60 kilometer in 2 hours, then 70 kilometer in 3 hours, then 80 kilometer in 4 hours, then 120 kilometer in 5 hours, means the body travels the equal distance in unequal interval of time. So this type of motion is known as variable motion or non-uniform motion. So this is an example of the non-uniform motion. The another is known as the average speed. The average speed is the ratio of the total distance traveled by the object to the total time taken to cover that distance. It is the ratio of the total distance upon total time. It gives us the overall rapidity with which the body moves in this interval. For example, in one day cricket match, the average run rate is calculated by the total run divided by the total overs. Now the average speed is only calculated when the body is moving with non-uniform motion. For example, see here, a bus goes from Panipat to Delhi with a speed of 60 km per hour and returns back with the speed of 40 km per hour. Then we have to calculate the average speed. We know the distance from Panipat to Delhi is not known to us, so let the distance be x. So the total distance will be x plus x, that is 2x. And the time is also not known to us, so the time will be also the first time in going from Panipat to Delhi ISBT is t1 and in returning that is t2. So the average speed is total distance, that is x plus x, upon total time, that is t1 plus t2. This will be average speed. So the average speed is 2x upon t1 plus t2. T1 we know time is equal to distance upon velocity. So we can write here x upon 60, and in place of t2 you can write x upon 40. So if you calculate, you will find that the average speed of an object is 48 km per hour, but generally you can say 100, which is incorrect. So the average speed is 40 km per hour, but remember here the displacement is 0, therefore the average velocity will be 0, which will be discussed later on. Now we can take another example also. A car covers a distance of 40 km during first hour, 40 km during second hour, and 60 km during next 2 hours of its motion. Then the total distance will be 50 plus 40 plus 60, that is 150 km, and the total time is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4 hours. So the average speed will be 150 upon 4, that is 37.5 km per hour. Now the next one is instantaneous speed. The instantaneous speed is the speed of the object at a particular instant of time during the motion of the object. Means the speed at a particular time. Suppose you are going and the same time, if you measure the speed, that is called instantaneous speed. And remember, when the body is moving with uniform speed, then the average speed of object is equal to the instantaneous speed of object, and the instrument which is used to measure the instantaneous speed of the object at that time is called speedometer. Remember, the instrument used to measure the distance is known as odometer, and the instrument used to measure the average instantaneous speed is known as speedometer. So you should remember, it is very much useful. And now the next topic will discuss about the velocity and acceleration, which is very important. Thank you very much.